In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off Google Autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on All Services, select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and finally this switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. If the switcher is gray and all of those features as well, that means that Autofill is off. To switch it back on, click on the same now gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!